Imagine a toolbox that doesn't hold hammers or screwdrivers, but instead creates intelligence. Here's the shocking part. AI tools are already shaping your daily life. AI tools are like digital assistants on steroids. But that's not all. They help us write, design, diagnose, and even predict the future. Think of AI tools like a Swiss Army knife for the mind. What happens next will surprise you. Instead of cutting wood, they cut through data. Here's the amazing part. Companies like Google, Microsoft, and OpenAI use AI tools to power search engines, chatbots, and creative platforms. The secret is that these tools learn patterns from millions of examples and then apply them to solve problems instantly. But wait, there's a warning. If the data is biased, the results can be unbelievable mistakes. That's why ethics and fairness matter. Now imagine this. AI tools helping doctors detect diseases earlier, or entrepreneurs predicting market trends before they happen. This could completely change healthcare and business. Next, AI tools may design new medicines, invent technologies, and even create art beyond human imagination. This revolution could reshape industries worldwide. AI tools aren't just software. They're the powerful hidden engines driving the future of innovation. Do you think AI tools should be free for everyone or controlled to prevent misuse? And why? If you enjoyed this video, subscribe to Nezzhub Tech for more future technology insights.